Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Having trouble opening HEIC photos on your computer? Don't worry, here's a quick and free way to convert them to JPG online. Just use iSunshare HEIC Converter. It's fast, secure, and completely free online. Let me walk you through it. First, open your browser and go to the official iSunshare HEIC Converter website. Once you're there, upload your HEIC files from your device. You can even drag and drop multiple images at once. Super easy. Then, just click Start Processing to begin the conversion. In just a few seconds, it'll be done. Click Download to save your JPG or PNG files. Now they're ready to use anywhere. Give it a try and convert your HEIC files in no time. That's all for the video. I will see you in the next tutorial.